Russia's first T-90M with the Arena M protective system is a harder aircraft. The Arena M Active Protection System, APS, equipped T-90M main battle tank, MBT, was formally unveiled by UralVagonZavod, Russia's top tank maker. The purpose of the Arena M system is to strengthen the tank's defenses against rocket-propelled grenade, RPG, and ATGM strikes. As is well known, the Russian military lost a significant number of T-90M tanks during the conflict in Ukraine. More than 120 confirmed T-90M losses have been reported by the open source program Oryx since Russia began its full-scale invasion in February 2022. UralVagonZavod has been attempting to improve the T-90M tank to increase its survivability. The tank is still susceptible to precision artillery strikes, kamikaze drones, and anti-tank missiles, despite improvements to its armor and fire control systems. By giving the tank 360 degrees of active defense against incoming threats. Arena M's integration is an attempt to overcome these shortcomings. Before incoming missiles reach or strike the tank, the system automatically detects, tracks, and intercepts them. Additionally, it is still necessary to actually test the outcomes of the Arena M enhancement on the battlefield to see whether they meet the intended goal or need to be improved.